Welcome back to Generation X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Graze.
I want to say yay, but I'm really hungry, so watching this is not going to be easy for me.
On my shirt. Anyway, I know, and tomorrow I'm starting a weight loss competition at my work, so hopefully these are rather healthy. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. And the box, I just want to show you, it kind of like always looks like beat up by the time it gets to me. I don't know if you guys can tell, it's all like dented right here, but anyway, hopefully what's inside is intact. Okay, so it looks like that. And then snacks with benefits. So hopefully these are all like healthy things. And it, of course, gives you your nutrition guide on the back, which is good.
And I recognize some of this stuff already, so.
Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is grilled cheese crunch. So it's got poppy seed and onion sesame sticks, almonds, sour cream and onion, half popcorn kettles, and Gouda puffs. Doesn't sound like the exact healthiest of things.
It looks like your cheese board one that they would get. That's what it makes me think of, but.
And then original protein flapjack.
Gotten that one.
What's this new? Rustic old, rustic.
The original is the same.
Rustic old or rustic rolled oat flapjack. I don't know, flaxseed, sunflower seed, and pumpkin seeds. I know, if it says new, I'm like, did we already get that? I don't know.
Maybe it's newer, because I could have sworn that we've gotten that before.
Oh, geez, did I not like... Salted caramel and chocolate cookie. So this is deconstructed salted caramel and chocolate cookie. This one is definitely going to go to, I think, whoever my household wants it.
I was like, I could eat it. I'm so hungry. It's very dessert-like. Yeah, see the caramel buttons, I just don't get why Amaretti drops and seeds. That's why I stopped getting them. I just couldn't take it
anymore. I could probably go on there and put like, give me nothing that has artificial or like added sugar or something. Honeycomb crunch, milk chocolate honeycomb, almonds and raisins.
That's different. I haven't seen that one before.
But again, I'd rather it just be like the fruit as like the sugar content, not like...
And this box is like $15 a month.
I might give a couple of these away.
But they do have specials sometimes where you can get it for like 10 a month or something. So
this is caramel apple, so it's little apple pieces with caramel sauce. So pretty much all these look like they have like added sugar so far, I think. Except for the one that was like the Gouda one or whatever. And then there's Chinese style honey sesame. I can keep reading all the ingredients or whatever. And the last two is wholesome honey nuts. One looks pretty good, even though it's probably not the exact healthiest either, but there's that one. I can always share it with my family, so. And then the last one is the New York Everything Bagel.
Which we've got before.
New York. Yeah, so some of them I tried, some of them I haven't tried. But yeah, it comes, that's what it looks like when it's empty. It comes in this little like carrying thing, older box thing. Anyway,
that was it for this video. Again, it's around $14.99 a month. If you sign up, you like or first way fast, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaway. We're doing one at 200 subscribers. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.